Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, February 26, 2024, and the U.S. stock market is closed. The Dow was open positive this morning, held up for maybe an hour or so, and then it started to slip. Had some selling pressure all day long, little push down right at the end. Regardless, it did close negative 62 points, but that's hardly a sell-off. We had a mediocre mix, somewhat down day today, and nothing to brag about. We closed out positive $5,000 in 8 positions earlier this morning, but we're carrying negative $9,000 in 16 positions going into tomorrow. I'm going to show you the best, and I'm going to show you the worst. And the best is TCRT, which is Alaunos Therapeutics Incorporated. And we had bought this on Friday about the middle of the day, and it had really pushed hard all day Friday, backed off a little on the close, and then it bumped up just a little this morning, but we ended up taking out positive $10,000 out of there, which is about what we were holding on the close on Friday. If we'd had a crystal ball, we could have held on to this, and if we did to the close, we would have nearly doubled our profits there. But we do not have a crystal ball. We trade an algorithm, and we do what the algorithm says. Sometimes the algorithm's right, sometimes it's wrong, but we still got out very nicely there with $10,000 in profit, and I'm not going to complain about that. Next, I'll show you the worst, and this is HOLO, which is Micro Cloud Hologram Incorporated. This has yielded some spectacular trades for us recently. This morning, you can see here they had this huge gap up, and we buy gaps, and we bought this thing in the sky this morning, and then it started going against us, and at one point down here at the low, we were down like $23,000 on this thing or something. But it started coming back the last half of the day, and closed here, but we're still down $12,000 on this thing. And I think that's horrible trade, but let me tell you, even with this slightly lower close we have, this stock, it closed up 82%. So this is hardly, you look at this is hardly a failed stock at all. And I cannot guarantee anything, but this thing could gap up tomorrow, and we could end up being at least mildly positive in it. I'm not guaranteeing it. It could gap down too, but I'm not real worried about this stock. Let's just put it that way. Anyway, that's the way it went on this Monday, and we'll just have to see what happens tomorrow on Tuesday, and I'm going to be here trading for sure.